Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? And good morning to you. This is a 1 minute motivation from the Learn Develop Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. Some quit due to slow progress, never grasping the fact that slow progress is progress. The problem with trying to make things happen and seeing a result at the end is that the natural need to see, progress straight away. Is what you're doing actually worth it, or is it wasting your time? But like most trailblazers out there, every project does take time. It takes time and effort to put the work and the big maximum effort you need in to mold it into something worthwhile. Remember, any progress, no matter how small or how slow, is still progress.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.